In this video, we will cover What is Accounting Part 6 and focus on the different careers one can have with an accounting education. So what can you do with an accounting degree or accounting skills? What are the types of accounting work? The first is financial accounting. This is what most people visualize when they think about an accountant, someone working at a desk crunching numbers. As you learned, financial accounting is primarily the job of preparing financial statements to communicate the financial story to people on the outside of an organization. Managerial accounting is similar to financial accounting. The difference is that managerial accounting focuses on people inside of the organization. Your job is to provide data to managers to help them make decisions that will improve the profitability and efficiency of the company. Managerial accounting is also heavily used in manufacturing businesses. Governmental accounting is completely different from financial and managerial accounting. Governments are not concerned with making a profit in most cases. They divide a lot of their resources into units called funds. These funds must be managed and tracked. Also, many people pay attention to how government money is spent. This means tracking the financial transactions of government entities is very important. Not-for-profit accounting is similar to government accounting. Like government accounting, a not-for-profit isn't focused on making a profit. Their goal is to spend the resources received in the best way that serves the mission of the nonprofit. Auditing is what you call the accounting police. Auditors are used to check the financial documents prepared by financial accountants, government accountants, or not-for-profit accountants. Managerial accounting isn't subject to review by auditors except when management accounting information is included in the financial accounting reports. Taxation is also typically what people think about when they think of an accountant. If you attend a party and introduce yourself as an accountant, there's a 99% chance someone will pull you aside and ask you a tax question. Taxation work involves doing taxes for individuals as well as businesses. Consulting is another type of work where accounting knowledge can be very helpful. Management consultants provide help to many kinds of businesses. A knowledge of accounting can be very helpful in your role as a business consultant. Most accounting graduates will choose one of these roles when starting their careers. The good news is that if you select one path and don't like it, you can choose to do something else. So what kind of companies do you work for as an accountant? Public accounting firms. These are firms that do almost everything described in the previous slide. Accounting firms provide auditing, tax, accounting, and consulting services for companies. A corporation is a for-profit entity. In most cases, an accountant would do financial accounting or managerial accounting or both for a corporation. And we've already discussed government and not-for-profit in the previous slide, so I won't repeat it here. Now, in addition to getting a degree in accounting, you can also get additional certifications. There are so many certifications, I can't name them all. We'll now just cover the most well-known certifications. CPA. This is the most well-known and common certification in accounting. To become a CPA, you are required to have a bachelor's degree in any major, it doesn't have to be accounting, and 150 hours of education covering accounting, business, ethics, economics, and law. CMA. This is very similar to the CPA but focuses on the accountant's role as a business manager. CIA. This is the Internal Auditor certification. Internal auditors work inside of the company and play a critical role. They review processes and procedures to help a company improve. In some cases, the internal auditors help the external auditors complete audits. CFE. This is the Certified Fraud Examiner or the James Bond of accounting. A fraud examiner uses their skills to detect fraud taking place in the organization. This could include stealing company funds or company information. CFA is one of the most prestigious designations in accounting and finance. To become a CFA, you must pass 3 exams taken over 18 months or 3 years. The exams cover accounting, finance, economics, investments, and ethics. The CFA is a worldwide designation. This means the CFA would also be valid in countries outside of the United States. CFP is a certified financial planner. In this role, you help people invest and manage their money. In the notes for this video, I will provide links where you can get more information about each of these certifications. In summary, accounting has many varied career paths. If you start on one path, you can decide to change to another path. It isn't uncommon for accountants to have many different roles over their accounting career.